Hello, it's Igrit again, and today I'm going to show you how to use JSplacement, which is the free software for generating displacement map. So when you open it the first time, you will have this screen right over here. You have to click this button and you have different options to start with. Here you have displacement classic, we have 2, and velvet, wire, and dot grid. So you're gonna have to check how it works. So you're gonna click this displacement classic over here. You're gonna see we have a little bit of settings right over here, and then we got a couple buttons here. So to actually generate this by to generate this displacement map by using these values right now, you just have to click at the center or whatever, anywhere in this square right here, or you can generate. Now you'll notice that it generates this little bit of displacement map. Now this map is actually an 8K map, so it is pretty big. So I think I haven't found a way to reduce the export whatever, so I think I'm gonna have to play around with it and get normal. So you can use any of these settings here to play. We can play around with these settings to generate different values whatever, and different look for yourself. And then here you have randomize, which you can randomize these settings and having different results. So when you're done, you can hit save height here, and then you can export your map to your computer. So let us also check different presets that they got in here. You have the displacement 2 here, and then you can notice here you have a little bit settings different from the other one. So click on here to generate the map. I think the user interface is pretty straightforward, and it is intuitive. So here you got a classic set, and you got a crap pack over here, and it's great, like a little bit of motherboard, some stuff. All right, we also have big data, and then it generates something of like you want to use those stock photos of big data or whatever. So you also have agromax and custom sprite, different settings here you can see. You also have this roll right over here, which it can generate different look by turning them on and off. So when you use this, you have to hit generate again to actually see what that works. So you can play around with this in any case that you want. Like here you have different you have different modes and presets. Here we got dot grid, which creates a little bit of dots on the map right over here. And this actually means that if you turn this on this pattern is going to be used in this map, okay, proceduring. All right, if you also turn this off, that means that it is not going to be available in this map. So the same goes with these shapes. So when you turn them on, this means that this sphere will not be visible, will not be used to generate this map. So pretty much that's it, and it's pretty straightforward. And once you're done, you have to save your map, and then I think I used this one for that tutorial. So okay, so right here you can save this height, and then you're gonna set it as socket, and then you're gonna hit save. So that's how you use. Now let's see how you use in Blender. So let's jump into it. So right in the Blender, what you can do, you're gonna have to create any mesh, but I'm gonna use a cube for this particular case. You're gonna have to subdivide that cube a couple times. The more subdivision you have, the better it will look in the displacement operation, whatever. So you're gonna have to create you're gonna have to add the displacement modifier. You're gonna create a new texture and add a new texture. Open the texture tab, and then you're gonna open that socket map that we created. And after that, you're going to have to select that one. You'll notice we have a little bit of stretching on the side. That is because it is not using UV to propagate the map correctly. So you're going to have to change the coordinate space from local to UV in the displacement settings tab, and then like so. So we're gonna have to you know, see here it's a little bit too much, so you have to reduce the strength by holding shift. You can achieve the precision value. So you must also notice that it is not really nice, it is not sharp. That is because it needs more subdivision, so you're gonna have to subdivide it again. But notice the more subdivision you're gonna go, your computer is gonna run slow in the viewport. But this is what we achieve when we actually play around with it. Maybe we could increase the subdivision a little more, and that's what we're gonna get there. So yeah, I think that's okay, that looks great. this is it. So right now from there you can have you can do anything you want. You can create a new material. You can create a new like sci-fi look. You can play with the lighting and other stuff. So I think pretty much that's it. So let me create a new material right over here, make it of different color of my choice, whatever. So in here you can also make this a metallic by using metallic value, and then you're gonna have maybe put in a little bit darker. So pretty much that's it. So thank you for watching this video. I think you learned something, and leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you.